Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to earn money creating money? Want to earn money creating designs with Canva? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a Fiverr gig offering Canva design services even if you are branding new to freelancing. What is a Canva gig? A Canva gig is a service where you design things like Instagram posts, business cards, ebooks, or resumes using Canva and sell those services on Fiverr. It's beginner friendly and free to start. Now sign up or log into your Fiverr account. That's fiverr.com. Head over to fiverr.com and sign up as a seller. Then click switch to selling. Make sure your profile is complete with a professional photo, bio, and skills. Now from your dashboard, click My Business and Gigs and click on Create a New Gig option from the right side. There is this is where we will set up your Canva gig. Write a gig title and category. Write a clear gig title like I will design eye-catching Instagram posts using Canva. Then choose category graphics and design. Then choose subcategory social media design or presentation design. Big tag like now select service type, social posts, banner, platform Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, type social media, language, choose language like that, list. Now scroll down and pick tags like Canva, Instagram, post, social media, ebook, flyer, design. Then click save and continue. Next, set up your three packages. You can offer basic 3 Instagram posts, for standard 10 Instagram post, premium 20 Instagram posts plus source files, set fair price 5 to $25 to start. Select delivery time, the number of posts, select revision and click save and continue, and describe about your niche Instagram post, what you provide there. new design here, PSD file, then save. In your gig description, explain what you will deliver, what tools you will use, and how it benefits the client. Example, I'll create professional Canva design tailored to your brand or social media or marketing. Then add FAQs like, do I need Canva Pro? No, I will use my Pro account if needed. Now add the requirements like what text what text should go on the design. Do you have branding guidelines or a logo? This helps you avoid confusion later. This is super important. Upload at least 3 Canva designs you have created as samples, even if you made them just for practice. If possible, upload a short video introducing your gig. It increases trust and sales. Double check everything, then click publish, and your gig will go live. You can now start getting orders from people all over the world. To increase your chances of getting your first sales, share your gig on social media, offer a launch discount, respond to buyer requests, always reply fast, and deliver high quality. Pros: free to start, Canva is beginner friendly, huge demand for content. Cons: Fiverr is competitive. Canva designs can look generic, so be creative. And that's how to set up your first Canva gig on Fiverr. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to follow up on Fiverr pro tips and how to deliver Canva orders. Thanks for watching.